I have received a package. It's not from Amazon because I've not bought anything from Amazon. So I suppose that this is a recycled box. And let's open it and see what is inside. Okay, let's see what is inside. One thing and another thing. Oh, a cloth of 30mm. Oh, some of these have gone into it. So let me put these things out. Is there anything else here? Oh, another one. Plus of 40mm. I like to play with these things anyway. I'll show you the side now. So, okay, this is the one I bought. Omegon SyncFocus flip mirror. And it's written for deeper sky, planets and deeper sky, flip mirror. So when you photograph, do astrophotography with a DSLR or any other camera, you don't know if your camera is in focus unless you have live view. And with live view, you really don't reach focus. Sometimes you reach focus, sometimes you don't. You have to be fiddling around. This makes the work easy. So you put your telescope at this end and your eyepiece at this end. So you can change between this and these two positions. Also it came with these two eyepieces, which I don't know. Let me open and see. This is a plus of 40mm eyepiece, which is nice, wide field. And ooh, this looks nice. Unbranded, but nice. I like unbranded things sometimes. And this one is Ostara, because I know I have one like that. There is some of those polystyrene thing at the bottom of it. I have a 40mm Ostara. The way that the print is, it looks like that one, PL40, that is that one. This one is PL30. So all in all, very good. I have now 3 items, which goes for a good cause. See, I have now changed the angle of photography here. I've learned a few tricks from the ENS optics. They buy the things from the eBay and they sell it at the eBay. The other day I saw they bought a Vixen 30mm 2-inch barrel eyepiece for £53, and now I see that they put it on sale for £144. So that's the way the world is. And of course, good tips on photography is that he always puts the eyepieces like that, and in a white background he has a proper, he has a cardboard rises up this way, he has a diffuser of light. And so I've been there, I made a mistake, I bought a big LX90, mid LX90 from them for around £950. He kept my money for 2 months. After 2 months I had to go and bring it. And yeah, and then I found that LX90 you could buy it for £400–500 in eBay. So good tip anyway. I can use this now like that. So you see the flip mirror, the mirror is this side. If I bring it back, as you can see, it's the mirror here. Okay. And it flips. And this is the mirror side. This is the telescope side, and this is the camera side. And this is the eyepiece side. How you adjust it is that you you point the telescope at a far object. Then you bring it to focus with this, and you bring it in focus with this, then in focus with this, then tighten the position. That's it, they're ready. Easy peasy, at least in theory. Yeah, this eyepiece is £30, and this one same £30. Let's see how it looks. Actually not bad. Do I see some chromatic aberration? Probably, but it's a free gift. Now let's go for the Plusl 30mm one. Okay, no chromatic aberration with this. Let me try it again with that 40mm. Juggling. Okay. Oh, chromatic aberration went. It was because of the angle of the camera of the eyepiece. So I don't see any aberration in this one. Okay, but I noticed with this eyepiece and this eyepiece is that the lens edge, which is this part, I don't know if you can focus here, is not blackened. The edge of the lens, you can open up this one and take all the lenses out. Remember the correct position, of course. Then with a felt pen, black felt pen, just blacken the edges of the lens. That will improve the contrast a lot. You practically make a eyepiece which doesn't look very much good to a very good eyepiece by just blackening the edges. So if you have an eyepiece that you can open, try this technique.